Good morning students, welcome back again. Today this is a part second video of the same chapter number 3rd, synthetic fibers and the plastics. Yes, second part of the video, synthetic fiber and the plastic. In the part first video we have discussed about which are the two types of fibers are there. Yes, the first one natural fiber and the synthetic fiber. In your lower grades we have studied about that from where we are getting natural fibers. Okay, so I have told in this chapter we will learn only and only about the synthetic fibers, which different kind of synthetic fibers are there. Then we have seen about what are synthetic fiber actually. Yes, the example of beads and paper clips I have given to you. A small many units if you will join together, so a necklace like form of beads will be there. Beads का एक necklace बन जाएगा. When paper clips you will join 15 to 20 together, it looks like a long chain. Likewise the same, many units join together to form a polymer. Many units join to form a polymer, and each unit is of a chemical substance. Okay, then I have told about plastics, a different type of plastics, its harmfulness or it is useful for us, so it's depend on us only. So today in this video we are going to learn about different kind of synthetic fibers. So the first synthetic fiber is rayon. Now let us see the detail what the rayon is. You know that we are getting silk from the silkworm, and it was discovered in the China. It was discovered in China that silk they are getting from the silkworm. But you know silk is very much costly. Silk is very much costly than that of the others kind of fibers which are present. Silk is very much costly. It has a very beautiful designs, we can say beautiful texture the silk is having, means we all like the silk clothes very much. Silk clothes बेटा बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं सब लोगों को. Okay, so but it was very costly. Then a scientist, we can say they are thinking from बहुत time से सोच रहे थे they have to make a that kind of fiber which have the similar property that of the silk. The properties which silk is having the same kind of material they have to prepare the same property का एक same हम बोलते हैं क्वालिटी का बोल सकते हैं. क्वालिटी सेम नहीं होगी बट yes the properties which silk में है वो सेम ऐसी होनी चाहिए. तो they have at the end of the 19th century, they made a one kind of synthetic fiber that is rayon. It's also known as artificial silk. It is known as the artificial silk. Means at the end of 19th century they come to know that how they have to prepare now the artificial silk. And yes, what the name have given to the artificial silk? Yes, rayon. Rayon is the first we can say a synthetic fiber. It is a natural, we can say it is a natural, but yes it is man-made. Now you are thinking, sir, why you are telling rayon is a natural? You have written on the board artificial silk. Artificial means man-made things, then why I am telling natural? Because the process which they are having to make the artificial silk, so they are making from the wood pulp. Yes, they are making from the wood pulp. So yes, wood बेटा नेचर में अवेलेबल है. तो yes, it is a natural substance, but it is man-made. Natural substance का ही यूज करके बना रहे हैं, but ये man-made है. So rayon is known as the artificial silk. It has a beautiful texture, and we know yes, it has a beautiful texture. Beautiful texture अच्छा होता है बहुत बेटा silk का भी है. You have seen your mothers are wearing the silk sarees. You are so उनको this silk you have seen at your home many times. बहुत बेटा soft होता है वो. Dyed in a variety of colors. Dye करते हैं उसको different colors में to make bed sheets, to make carpets, to make colorful bed sheets. Okay. So this was about the rayon, the first synthetic fiber. So silk we are getting from the silkworm discovered in China. Yes, it was we can say very costly. Then at the end of 19th century, scientists come to know how they have to prepare the same kind of material to the silk. Same material कैसे बना सकते हैं? So they have come to know at the end of 19th century, and they have made artificial silk, that is rayon, and how they have made with the wood pulp. So yes, it is a natural, but it is a man-made. Beautiful texture it is, and dyed in a variety of the colors to make bed sheets and to make the carpets. Forward to the next synthetic fiber, that is nylon. Now we have completed up the rayon. You can see also, you have seen the picture also of rayon. Now second we can see synthetic fiber, it is now nylon. Now what is nylon? What is the use of nylon? When it was, मतलब कब बना था बेटा? As we have seen कि rayon at the end of the 19th century, scientists come to know कि how they have to prepare the rayon, means artificial silk. So they have done the chemical treatment on the wood pulp, and yes, they have finally made the artificial silk, that is rayon. Now moving to the next, nylon. Nylon is also man-made fiber. It was made in the 1931 year. Keep this year in mind, 1931. This is a man-made fiber also. This fiber is made with the coal, water and air without using the raw materials. This fiber is made up of coal, water and air, but without using raw materials from the plant and animal. Means on the plant and animal, they have not taken anything to prepare this fiber. They have prepared the fiber by using the coal, water and air. They have not used the raw materials which we are getting from the plant and the animal. So it was a totally synthetic fiber it is, because they have nothing they have used from the plant and not from the animal. Raw material they have not used. So these three things they have used: coal, water and air. So it is a totally, we can say, synthetic fiber it is. Characteristics we can say of the nylon. Which characteristics are there? Strong, elastic and easy to wash. Strong होता है बेटा, elasticity अच्छी होती है and it's easy to wash. The nylon is strong, elastic and easy to wash. It's stronger than a steel wire. Nylon is stronger than a steel wire. Now where we are using nylon? Nylon is used in prepare the socks, toothbrush, car seats, belt, curtains. Nylon is also used for making the parachutes, and also the mountaineers which they are climbing on the mountains with the help of that rope. That rope is also made up of nylon. So socks, curtains, toothbrush, then parachutes and the rope, are all these things are made up of nylon only. As mountaineers, they are climbing on the mountains, so means they need a strong, we can say, strong wire they need. That's why nylon is a stronger than also a steel wire. That's why rope is made up of the fiber nylon. So rayon and nylon both I have explained you. Just again I am giving you brief information for the same. Rayon is known as the artificial silk. First we are getting the silk from the silkworm, as it was costly. So the scientists have thought many ideas, but finally at the end of 19th century they come to know how they have to make another kind of fiber with having a similar properties that of the silk. So with the chemical treatment they have done with the wood pulp, and yes, they have made a rayon, artificial silk they have made. Then we have discussed about the nylon. This is also a man-made fiber. It was made in the year 1931, but without using any raw material from the plant or the animal. Yes, the things which they have used to make this nylon, that is coal, water and air. Then we have seen the characteristics of the nylon. It is a strong, elastic, easy to wash. And if we talk about rayon, तो it is silk है, बेटा beautiful होता है, बहुत attractive, beautiful texture it has. Strong in a steel wire. Nylon is strong in a steel wire. Socks, toothbrush, curtains, parachutes and the rope, these all things are made from the nylon only. From the rayon we can say different beautiful bed sheets, carpets and other things are we can make. So now one homework I am going to give you. You have to write the 5 examples of natural fibers, 5 to 4 example of synthetic fibers. Okay, and you also write the name of the nylon and rayon, that from nylon and by using rayon which things we can make. Nylon और rayon में से कौन-कौन सी चीजें बन सकती है. You have to write in rough book or you can write in textbook even. Just we can discuss the same in the online session. So whatever doubt if you are having related to this video, you can ask from your online sessions. Thank you and have a nice day.